Hello, ma'am and sir. I am Kimberly Diana Rose O. Serkinia, 33 years old, married, high school graduate. I have one daughter, age 15 years old, and I am Iglesia Ni Cristo Vreten. I have 9 siblings, 6 sisters and 3 brothers, and I am the eldest of the family. We have no parents also. My husband is a farmer, and my daughter is a grade 10 student in junior high school. I work as a housemaid here in Philippines for 4 years, since 2005 till 2008, in one couple and 4 kids. The kids are age 10 years old, 8 years old, 6 years old, and 1 years old. My duties there is taking care of the kids, washing clothes, cleaning the house, cooking, and ironing. I also work in Middle East as a domestic worker in 2010 until 2012, in one couple, elderly, and one son. The elderly couple age 60 years old and 65 years old, and their son is 30 years old. My duties there is cleaning the house, ironing the clothes, washing the clothes, and washing dishes. As of now, this year 2023, I work as a nanny for stay out. The baby is 5 months old, and my duties there in daytime is taking care of the baby, wash the clothes while she's sleeping, and clean the house. The couple is working daytime, and my sideline is I am a online seller to earn extra income. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to save money for my daughter's studies and to build our own house. And I need to help my siblings too. Mom, sir, I wish you choose me as your helper to your house. I guarantee to you that I do my best, and I'm willing to learn to your instructions. I am trustworthy and God-fearing too. I treat your family as my own family. Thank you.